Solana is a cutting-edge blockchain platform. It is designed for speed and efficiency. Solana can process thousands of transactions per second. This makes it a powerful player in the world of cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications. Imagine a blockchain that can keep up with the demands of a global network. That's what Solana aims to be. It offers a new way to build and use decentralized applications. Solana is more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform for innovation. With its unique technology, Solana is attracting developers and users. It is quickly gaining popularity in the blockchain space. Solana achieves its impressive speed through a combination of innovative technologies. One of its key features is proof of history, or POH. This is a new way to create a timestamp for transactions. Traditional blockchains rely on complex consensus mechanisms. These can slow down the network. Solana's POH timestamps transactions using a cryptographic clock. This makes the process much faster. In addition to POH, Solana uses a powerful consensus mechanism called Tower BFT. This allows the network to reach an agreement on the order of transactions quickly. The combination of these technologies makes Solana a high-performance blockchain. Solana's unique architecture offers several benefits. First and foremost, it is incredibly fast. Transactions on Solana are processed in a matter of milliseconds. This makes it ideal for applications that require real-time interactions. Another advantage is scalability. Solana can handle a large number of transactions without sacrificing speed. This is essential for a blockchain that aims to support global adoption. Finally, Solana is very cost-effective. Transaction fees are a fraction of a cent. This makes it accessible to a wider range of users and developers. Compared to other blockchains, Solana stands out for its speed and scalability. Ethereum, for example, is known for its smart contract functionality. However, it can suffer from network congestion and high fees. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, is valued for its security and decentralization. However, it is much slower than Solana. Solana's technology makes it a strong contender in the blockchain space. Solana's focus on performance and affordability makes it an attractive alternative. It addresses some of the limitations of other blockchains.